Hello guys, to whoever don't know me yet, my name is Michael. I work in Every for 10 years and I'm gonna demonstrate to you today how to safely connect and disconnect from the trailer. So yes, you've got the job, you come into a parking bay or dock door from the building. In this occasion you've gone on the parking bay to the trailer. You position yourself in front of the trailer. Let's be a real life like. So I already positioned myself in front of the trailer. If my colleagues show, I'm in line. I'm in line with the trailer. The side of my trailer, of my truck, it's on the same line with the side of the trailer. So yeah, okay. I'm coming out now. I apply the park brake. What I need to check in the trailer is a park brake. That's the first thing. I'm checking the park brake. Yes, it's on. Now I'm gonna check the tires. If it's no flat tires, on the back, I'm checking. In this occasion, trailer is empty. So it's nothing to worry about. It's nothing to come out. It's no roller cages, things like this. If there is something and the door is open, you close the door. I check the tires. It looks okay to me. Now I'm ready to connect. Might be loud a little bit. If my colleague will show you how we're connecting, how I'm driving under. I'm releasing my park brake now. I put on a gear. What I'm doing now is go under. I'm gonna lift my door up. I'm connected on the dashboard. I can see on the dashboard the fifth wheel locking mechanism. It's that little red icon. It shows me the fifth wheel is locked. I'm gonna do the two tests. So it's like gently pulling forward 2 times. So I'm making sure I'm really connected. It's not like a loose connection or something. Sounds good to me. Apply the park brake. I choose the weather like this especially so you can see what's the real life shunter is. You need to face rain, storm, night. It doesn't matter. Work needs to be done. You need to go out. Right? Okay. What I'm doing here, got the airlines. It doesn't matter which one you're putting on first, then up now, because there is no air in it. I've connected. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna apply air to the yellow line first. So that's the yellow line first, then a red one. I push the park brake, so releasing the park brake now. And remember, this is very important. Wait like 2-3 seconds. If the trailer starts moving, because this is your last chance to stop it. So once you press the brake, wait 3 seconds. If it starts moving, just pull that off, apply the brakes again. Okay, let me just drive around and then I'm gonna drop the trailer. Oh. let's say I just, so I'm gonna park that trailer on the same spot. Let's say you moved it, like, you drive somewhere, you drop it. So I'm gonna drop it on the same location. I apply the park brake. What you need to do now, guys and girls, is you're going out. First thing you're doing, you apply the park brake. Now you're gonna switch the air on the red line, switch the air on the yellow line, unplug everything, and now I'm gonna drop the trailer. I release my park brake, first one. I release the second one. I put on a gear. Now I'm lowering the fifth wheel. Now I'm gonna press the release mechanism on the fifth wheel, and I'm just gonna release my foot brake. That's it. That's it, guys. It's easy. Of course, it's scary at the beginning, but you'll get used to it. Follow me for more. See my channel for more tips. Subscribe.